Hello students. So last class I told about operating system. You know operating systems are two types: client operating system and server operating system. So client's operating system has some flavors. Those are Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista and Windows XP. And also I told about server operating system that has some flavors. Those are Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2003. Those are about operating system. So when you will install operating system in your computer, it will open, it will run the computer. But so when you will listen any music, when you want to listen any music, when you want to watch any video, when you want to access any internet, you need utility softwares. So without utility software, you can't listen, you can't watch, and you can't access the internet. So utility softwares are nothing. Those are essential for the system. So utility softwares are nothing. Those are essential for the system, which is required to system to run audio, to run video or graphics, to run or access the internet, or that is called LAN. So those are called utility software, or we can say driver software, or we can say motherboard softwares. Those softwares are essential for the system. Those are called utility softwares. So utility means audio, graphics or video, LAN for Ethernet or LAN local area network or Ethernet we can say, and antivirus, which is scan your drives or device like pen drive, memory chip, etc. Those are called motherboard software or driver software, or we can say in technically those are utility softwares. So you know about utility software. So you know softwares are three types: application software, system software and utility softwares. So you know about system software, you know, utility software you know. So right now I will teach you application softwares. So application software means is a software which is required to applicant. So application software is software which is required to user. So application software is software which is required to operator, means which is required to us. For example, so I want to practice my type. So you need a typing tutor. So typing tutor is nothing. So it is an application software. For example, I want to draw a drawing. So we required MS Paint applications. So MS Paint application is nothing. It is an application software. For example, I want to edit my photo. So if you want to edit your photo in your computer, you must be install a application. That application name is Photoshop. So Photoshop you know. So Photoshop is an application through which we can edit your photo, edit your pictures. So those are called application softwares. So application software means what? So which software needs for applicant, which software required for applicant. Those are called application softwares. So you know about system software, you know about utility software. I told application softwares. So application means those softwares are required to the applicants, nothing else. So which software required to system, those are system software. Which software is required to essential or required to system, those are motherboard software or utility software. Which software is required to applicant, those are called application softwares. So application softwares are three types, remember it. Repeat one more time. So application softwares are three types. One is language, second is package, third is database. You know language? Language means the communication between two or more people. We need a language. The communication between two or more people, we need a language, that is called language. So computer language means nothing. It is a mediator between hardware and software. That is one type of interface. So interface means it is a layer between software and hardware. So that is language. I will teach you later about, very briefly, about language. So right now I want to teach you a package. So package means, you know, biscuit packet. So biscuit packet means collection of some biscuits, nothing. So collection of some biscuit, that is called biscuit packet. So package means collection of some application softwares, that is called package. For example Microsoft Office. So Microsoft Office is a package. So when you will install Microsoft Office in your computer, you can get MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, MS Outlook applications. So these are called applications. Means when you will install Microsoft Office package in your computer, you can get these applications. So these applications get when you will install Microsoft Office in your computer, nothing. So this is called package. So Microsoft Office is a package. Means, so when you will install this application, you can get more than one applications. So that is called package. Got it? Okay, fine. So database. So this is the package, you know. So right now I will teach you database. So database means it is an application or program through which, database means it is an application or program through which we can store and retrieve data easily and quickly by using database objects like table, query, form, report. I will teach you this topic later. So you know about software. So application software, system software and utility software. So you know about total software. Software means nothing. It is a collection of some programs. Those we can't touch and see. Gain knowledge, get service. This is your fundamental level definition. For example, I want to definition, technical definition, high level definition. So software means collection of interrelated programs combined together to solve the user requirements. So those softwares to solve our problems, to solve the user requirements, those are called softwares. For example, so which software needs to system? That is system software. Those softwares are essential for the system. Those are utility software or motherboard software or driver software. So which softwares are needs for the user? Those are called application softwares. So totally those are called softwares. So this is your overall know about your software. So I will teach you later different software having different work. So different software having some different work I will teach you later. For example, paint application means through which we can draw the paints. In MS Word application, through which we can create documentation, means official paperwork. So Excel is an application through which we can calculate and maintain database, and it is used for official data entry work. So another is your PowerPoint application. So PowerPoint application is a presentation through which we can represent our good presentation to attract the peoples. So another thing is your MS Access. So MS Access means those are called that is a database through which we can store and retrieve data easily and quickly. So total those are called softwares. So different software having different work. So I will teach you one by one coming classes about softwares. So when I will teach you MS Word application, I will briefly teach you about MS Word and Excel, PowerPoint, etc. So those are called softwares. So today this much about software. So I hope you have understand. Okay, got it? Okay, fine, thanks.